Hey, what's up, Dogecoin holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now. Welcome back to another video about Dogecoin, guys. In this video, I'm talking about the latest price update, the price prediction videos of the Dogecoin, what's going on in the Dogecoin. Let me show you, but before starting this video, please subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos about Dogecoin. The currently live and latest price of the Dogecoin in the market is 0.30057 USD dollar. That is the currently price of the Dogecoin in the market. And furthermore, guys, other side, if we talk about the price changes, so now you can see the last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week changes occur in the Dogecoin is negative. The price falls down very badly. So that is why now uh, a lot of people again, you know what, in August month the price of Dogecoin falls down and a lot of people lose hope that is right to see, but now from the beginning of September the price of the Dogecoin start pumping. That's why you can see here that the last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week, the whole changes occur in the Dogecoin is positive, guys. So on the basis of these changes, I my opinion is that Dogecoin will continue this type of jump throughout this whole September month. So September is a profitable month for all of you. Now please hold. Last 3 days price chart in negative 0.07% changes occur in the Dogecoin, and now you can see that is the highest 0.3076 USD dollar. That is the highest price of the Dogecoin in the market. So that is the latest update. Hope you like. Don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates videos.